Are you curious about the future of finance? Want to know how technology is changing the way we handle money? Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries behind DeFi and discover why it's becoming a game changer in the financial industry. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just someone intrigued by the evolving financial landscape, this video will provide insights into the incredible potential of DeFi. Stay tuned to uncover how DeFi is democratizing finance and revolutionizing the way we interact with money. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button to stay informed about the financial revolution happening right before our eyes. In the last few years, a new type of financial system called Decentralized Finance, or DeFi, has been getting a lot of attention. It's different from the usual way of doing finance because it works on a special kind of network called a decentralized blockchain. This means that people can use financial services without having to go through middlemen like banks. Many people are excited about DeFi because it has the potential to change the old-fashioned financial system. It can make financial services easier to use, more open and honest, and safer. Understanding the basics. What is DeFi? DeFi, short for Decentralized Finance, is a quite new part of the cryptocurrency and blockchain world. It's all about making things less controlled by one big authority. The main idea behind DeFi is to use blockchain technology to do more than just cryptocurrency. It's like taking the power away from big central organizations and giving it to everyone. DeFi works with something called smart contracts, which are like computer programs that run on blockchains. These smart contracts make different kinds of apps and systems that work without a big boss. A lot of these DeFi apps were first made to work on Ethereum, which is a popular blockchain. Most of the DeFi stuff happens there. DeFi works in an open way, which means anyone can use it to create new things based on what's already there. It's like building with Lego blocks. In this area, people can do things like lend money, invest, trade, and help with markets, but it's not controlled by one big group. Instead, regular folks like you and me make it work. DeFi isn't stuck on just one blockchain. It can use different ones. People who use DeFi connect with each other directly, like friends sharing toys. They do this using technology called distributed ledger and smart contracts, which help keep everything fair. This financial system follows computer rules, so we don't need banks to make it work. With DeFi, you can borrow money by putting some cryptocurrency into a safe digital place called a smart contract. In return, you get a different kind of asset. Your cryptocurrency stays in that safe place until you pay back the loan. The advantages of DeFi in the digital economy. The growth of DeFi in the digital world brings many benefits that are changing the way money works all over the world. One of the most important benefits of DeFi is how easy it is to use. You don't need special permission and it's open for everyone. If you have the internet, you can use it no matter where you live in the world. This is a big deal because it helps people who don't have normal banks where they live. Now, they can do things with money that they couldn't before. Another good thing about DeFi is that it doesn't have to follow a schedule. Regular banks and trading markets have specific times when they work, but DeFi is open all the time. You can do transactions whenever you want, making it easy and smooth for users. In DeFi, there are no middlemen, which means things can happen faster, cheaper, and sometimes even more safely because there are fewer people involved. Also, DeFi gives you control over your money. You don't need someone else to look after it, and they can't freeze your money or control it. Everything is clear and open for everyone to see, which helps build trust and make sure everyone follows the rules. DeFi risks and security considerations. Protecting your assets, just like any other investment. When you put your money into DeFi, there are good things and bad things that can happen. It's smart to know what they are and do what you can to keep your money safe. One of the big problems in DeFi is that the computer programs called smart contract can sometimes have mistakes or be used by bad people to take money. This can make you lose a lot of money. So, it's really important to only put your money in DeFi projects that experts have checked and said are safe. Another thing to think about in DeFi is that there's usually no insurance. In regular banks, if something bad happens, like the bank gets robbed, your money is protected. But in DeFi, there's often no insurance. So if something goes wrong, like if someone hacks into the system or a smart contract breaks, you could lose all your money. Some DeFi projects are trying to fix this by offering their own insurance, but it's not common yet. Also, DeFi works by having you put down more money than you're borrowing. So if the value of your money drops a lot because of changes in the market, you might have to give up your assets to cover your debts. That's why it's important to keep an eye on how much your assets are worth and make sure they're worth more than what you owe. These risks might sound scary, but you can make them less scary by doing your homework, spreading your money out in different places, and only using money you can afford to lose. Regulatory challenges and future outlook for DeFi. DeFi faces a big problem with rules and laws. It's growing really fast, but there aren't clear rules yet. Governments everywhere are trying to figure out how to make rules for DeFi. They want to make sure it's safe and good for people who use it. But because there are no clear rules, it can be risky for people who use DeFi, and it might not become as popular as it could be. The good news is that regulators are starting to see how important DeFi is. They are trying to make rules to keep it safe and make it better for everyone. Thinking about what's coming next, DeFi is going to keep changing how money works. It has the power to make sure more people can use money services, make things work better, and let people control their own money. But for DeFi to do all these good things, it has to deal with some problems. One big issue is that it needs to be able to handle lots of people using it at the same time. It also needs to be easier for regular folks to understand and use, and it has to be really safe. People are working on making DeFi better though. They're finding ways to make it work faster. Like with new technology, they're also trying to make it easier to use so anyone can use it. And in the future, DeFi could work together with the regular money system to make it better for everyone. So DeFi is going to keep changing things, and it's going to be exciting to see how it all turns out. In conclusion, DeFi is reshaping the financial landscape by offering accessibility, efficiency, and financial freedom. However, it's not without its challenges, including security and regulation. As this revolutionary financial system continues to evolve, it holds the potential to transform the way we handle money. But remember, understanding the risks and making informed choices are crucial in the world of DeFi. If you found this video informative, please leave your comments below and share your thoughts on DeFi. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the world of decentralized finance. Thanks for watching.